It started out as a rainy day today, but the rain has cleared up enough for this to be an absolutely lovely walk through the forest. It's unusual to see many mushrooms in early spring, especially edible mushrooms. This is an unusual one. It's an oyster mushroom. It's growing on a pine tree. Usually these grow on deciduous hardwoods like beech trees, aspen trees. They do grow on pine. They're maybe a little less plentiful. There's only a couple. There's this one and then there's one farther down the tree. It's exciting to find a oyster mushroom at this time of year on an unusual tree. I'm gonna leave that one there since there's only two, but it was very cool to find it in the wild.